Hi and welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to talk about why you should meditate and some of the benefits of meditation. Well, meditation today is not recognized as much as it should be. Like most people, at least in today's society, which is more religious, and there are Christians, there are tons of Christians, and then there is tons of atheists and scientists, people who believe in science. In the Eastern culture, it is accepted, and its benefits are known to the culture and to the people. But here in Europe and in America, for an example, people have no clue about meditation, or they do know about it, but they think it's some kind of religious thing. And meditation has actually no, it, it is connected to religion, but meditation as a practice and as a individual thing doesn't have any connections to religion. And you can practice meditation and have all the benefits um, by not by being religious, but by practicing it and by just doing it without any beliefs around it. So yeah, people today have this opinion on meditation because they don't even know what it is and its benefits even. So they think it's just some religious religious bullshit or something. But even in this personal development sphere, it is well known the benefits of meditation, and it's um, an accepted practice. Like people in personal development, like with all the other habits, meditation is also the one that is common and really adopted in this like I said, personal development culture. And also, meditation has a spiritual, it is connected to spirituality, but people often put spirituality and religion into the same box. And because uh, religious people try to put their religion onto spirituality, and then there's this spirituality and people think, oh, it's just this some kind of religion and beliefs, and they just write it off with religion. But spirituality is not about adopting an ideology or a dogma or a belief or any it is not religion. Spirituality is not religion. Spirituality is about finding the truth, not finding beliefs, and it's about discovering yourself, which isn't religion. And also, it's about discovering the nature of this reality, which is also it transcends all beliefs. In a religion, the point is to memorize all the stuff and adopt beliefs that someone else tells you, and have this fixed mindset, like these are the rules, and these are the good people, these are the evil people, you should act like this, you should act like that, and if you don't, you will go to go to hell. If you do, you will go to heaven with the angels and God in the clouds. Spirituality is none of that, and it's um, completely outside of that. It has nothing to do with that. So, like I said, meditation can be a good practice for spirituality because you can, like I said, you can find out what you are, you can find out about you, everything you want to know, every question you have about yourself, every aspect of fixing your life and uh, your emotions comes from meditation. If you are not meditating, then the odds are not in your favor that you will fix your emotions and you will gain control and awareness about your emotions and thoughts. So yeah, those are the two things that meditation is about. It's about the emotional stuff, and also it's about the existential spiritual stuff, but both are interconnected and basically lead to the same place. Of course, you don't need to call it spirituality, because spirituality is viewed as this some, in the same way that God, for an example, is turned into this guy in the clouds in today's culture, in the same way that society has opinions on spirituality and says it's something weird and woo-woo and fantasy. So don't get too attached to the word spirituality, because most people, when they talk about spirituality, think about religion, but think about it as getting to know yourself and getting to know the truth. And that's what even science um, defines itself as. Science defines itself as this exploration for the truth and exploration for what is, what this is. So yeah, about the spirituality, meditation can with meditation you can find out the truth, the whole truth, the real truth, not the beliefs and dogma and stuff, not the truth that you can speak out to people and discuss. Oh, is this true or is this not true? It's not an opinion, it's not a perspective, it's not a belief, not a thought or anything. It's the truth. Also, we can answer all the questions you have, because all the answers come from the truth, from knowing the truth. And then there is this emotional aspect. Like with meditation, there is no more suffering, because there is no need for suffering. Pain is an emotion which happens and it's natural. Pain is just an information for the mind, but suffering is created by the mind. Suffering is when the ego resists reality. When it says people should be like this and I shouldn't feel this pain. So what happens is that you suffer because you resist the pain instead of feeling it. So suffering is not a necessary thing for us humans at all. If you suffer, it's completely on the ego. So meditation can help you show that, reveal that there is no need for suffering. And then there comes this incredible joy, like you finally find happiness. This is the key to happiness, because happiness is your natural state. You can be happy just by being. And what you think that brings happiness, like I don't know, hanging out with your friends, or watching TV, or you're eating food, or anything, or drugs or something, watching TV, I don't know, whatever you think that brings you happiness, just reveals the being you enjoy being on your own. The thoughts that say you should do something go away, and then you have this peace. But you can have this peace and you can have an incredible joy of just being here without the trigger, without watching TV, without eating um, tasty foods, without hanging out with your friends or doing drugs or um, whatever. And then also there is this mental clarity that comes, because um, mental clarity is when the thoughts are created consciously, and when there is this sense of control over thoughts, and when the thoughts don't control you, because when the thoughts control you, it feels like you're anxious all the time, and um, it sucks. It feels awful because the the thoughts just keep coming up, and you identify with all the thoughts that come up, and then you suffer. You feel awful. But when you meditate and when you learn to develop this sense of control, and when you can stop identifying with thoughts, they can kind of let loose, and they can stop controlling you, and they can stop coming up. So you can just choose consciously the thoughts and pick the thoughts that you want to feel, you want to have. And when you notice, when you put together all the all the benefits that I just said, it's it's all the things that you would want in life, like feeling feeling happy, feeling amazing, knowing the truth, and having the answer for all your existential questions, like everything you search for, the answer is meditation. Like there is nothing that you can there is no other solution for the things you want in life than just being, and meditation is the practice of being. Honestly, it's very incredible that this one practice can literally change your life, and can literally fix all the problems you have, and you can finally start living this amazing life that you deserve and that you could be living. Okay, well, I just wanted to talk about the benefits of meditation, and because most people think it's some kind of religious practice, or some kind of belief stuff, and prayer or something. But in next videos, I'm going to talk more specifically how to meditate, and some insights about meditation, like some stuff that come up on your meditation journey that you need to avoid and stuff. And I might even do some guided meditations if I'll feel like it. So yeah, that's it for this one. Stay tuned um, for other videos where I'll be talking more in detail about meditation and how you can actually go about it. And yeah, that's it. If you like the video, like it, comment if you have any questions, or if you have any thoughts or something, and subscribe so you won't miss, like I said, the other content that I'll be posting out in the future. And see you in the next one. Bye.